When we talk about non-conventional farming, what are we talking about?
We are talking of farming that has not been taken as the mainstream farming, like dairy, like poultry, commercial poultry. So that's what we call non-conventional farming. And it's the farming that now has potential to improve nutritional security and 100% food security and nutrition security as per the Agenda 4. So I know we have a lot of nutrients in those non-conventional, I would say, kind of feed ingredients and feedstuffs. So I think that was really nice. But also because I was brought up in Western Kenya, we ate all those we call emerging, like locusts, like kumbe, and they were really nutritional in terms of calcium, in terms of protein.
Let's narrow down to Nakuru snail farming. When did you come to get to know about it, and how is it performing?
We first heard of this snail farming early last year, and we were actually very impressed because we know the advantages of that farming in terms of improvement of livelihoods of farmers and improvement of the nutritional status of the people around here.
Haha tukiendia mwiroreri ni tukwenda kumenya uhoro wigie bilharzia na uhoro wigie urimi wa Ndinoho. Tondu andu aingi mundu ekuigwa ni ajugaga ni tukugia na mirimu teo. Jane, nikizungumza hapa nataka kujua snail, there is that notion that you may get bilharzia. What would you say about the whole notion?
What we are doing as a department to ensure that such notions are not picked because they are actually not true, we do a lot of barazas, we do stakeholder meetings to educate people, the consumers, in terms of the nutritional value, in terms of the dangers and the benefits of various feeds and foods that we have, and snail is one of them that we do. So we always go to barazas through the chiefs and through all the other churches and all the other relevant stakeholders that we can help us to spread the word that actually there's nothing wrong with eating snails. And that bit that it spreads coronavirus is pure propaganda. That I can take that to the bank.
As a county, do you think you can help in increasing the space and also increasing the space where these farmers are practicing this kind of farming?
I think Wangui, Waweru, as what I'm seeing now, there's room for growth. And I think in such a small area, snail farming is one of those enterprises after indigenous chicken and rabbits that I think can be reared in the backyard, so long as there's market. So I think we have to remove that notion from our consumers that there's something wrong with snail meat. And I've just said that there's nothing wrong. I've eaten it and it's sweeter than all those other meats, and it's also white meat, just like the crocodiles, just like the poultry meat, like ostriches. So I think I'll really say that we have room for expansion and it's feasible.
Na ukirudi ofisi enda msalimie si wetu Immaculate, Daktari Immaculate. Mwambie asante sana.
Namshukuru sana juu anafanya kazi nzuri ya kutuongoza vyema.
Asante. Kumbe kuri aria maroria nendo icio cietagwo guya na kwina uhoro wigie locust itono kuri kindu kingi twagwetherwo uhoro wigie thungura hari kindu kingi twagwetherwo uhoro wigie Ndinoho. Indo ici ciothe ni iria ngwicira tukorwo twitigirite ndukauga ici citingirika. Riu ni wahota kumenya ati ni irio na ni cikoragwo cigiteithia miri itu. Kuma okuria mwena wa Naikuru ri thaici ndenda tunyitanire na ndagitari Kinoti tuhote kumenya atiriri thiini wa uthuthuria uria mahotete gwika guku mucii wa JKUAT hihi mawambiriirie ri na hihi ndeto ino twataririo ni murimi ni njira njega na ni yama na ni undu tungitikia na haha na ndiamuone ni hariirie uhoro waku wi mundu mwega nie njagirite tawe no undu umwe uria ungegetie na umakitie ri ni tucirie ka tutikari
tucirie tucirie taira
wauga tucirie ta nyeni
tondu iyo niyo protein ire era promote mire itu na ina health benefits nyingi muno. Urimi wa Ndinoho wari ku nginya hindi ya miaka iyo na muthungu atanoka no kiria gikite ri bururi no witu ri andu matikireire urimi ucio na njira ndiku muno. Riu ngirora mabururi ta Nigeria, Ghana na Cote d'Ivoire ni mabururi makoretwo makirithia Ndinoho na makiria idane no to ria riu urakora indo ta makuno kana indo ta cricket ici giria ugakora citiarikaga hindi iyo no tha ici andu marambiriria kuria to ni marona ki wega wacio. Hena Ndinoho mithemba etatu. Wa mbere ni Ndinoho ici kura Africa, Kenya cietagwo Katina. Wa keri ni kuri ingi cikora mwena wa Africa, mwena wa Nigeria. No Katina no ni muthemba tofauti ukoragwo white uguo. Na wa gatatu he Ndinoho ici ikoragwo cia murimo cietagwo helix. Angikorwo turarora uhoro wa maguta maria tuthondeka ngothi-ini, helix icio cia muthungu ni cirutaga. No ici cia Kenya ri to nicio citu ri ona cio cina potential nene na nicio cirahota gwika ati gu promote karehe fertilizer, karehe irio cia nguku, karehe maguta no karehe irio. Riu ithuĩ kinda-ini giki twina ya giant African land snail na nio turakuria guku na tukatrain arimi nayo.
Riria mundu auga ni ekwenda gukuria, hihi ni maundu mariku agirwo gukorwo agibuatirira kana agirwo gukorwo agika maundu mariku nigetha ahote gukuria Ndinoho na njira iria yagirire?
Nyumba ni kindu very important muno kwi urithia wa Ndinoho, tondu ici ni nyamu cingihota gucera kuma cikaima ikorura na ituike kigio. Koguo undu wa mbere ugikaheo license, tondu twambagirire na kuheo license kuma kwe Kenya Wildlife Service. No uthondeke nyumba itari na greenhouse, aikorwo nduri na mbeca, no uthondeke structure. No idea haha ni ati make sure nyamu icio hare cikuingira itingihota kuma. Greenhouse ni njega tondu ni ambatagio rugari, koguo ikahota guciarana na igakura naruo. Tondu Ndinoho yo ya kindu mieri 6 nginya mwaka umwe. No hindi ria wahuthira greenhouse ni hota gwika atia gukura faster. Warikia kuthondeka structure na waheo marua ma Kenya Wildlife Service ri ugetha tiri he mithemba mitatu. He muthemba wa organic material ta mahuti ta cockpit kana tiri wa forest. Arafu warikia kuya tiri tondu tiri uyu nuko ringi wina tugunyu wina tunyamu tungi tungihota kuria kuthukia Ndinoho ici ri ni utiritagwo utiriti ndramaanisha atiriri ukaucina na mwaki ginya ukaruta ndogo. Warikia kuruta ndogo ri riu ukautwara nyumba-ini iriku nyumba-ini icio. Riu ri Ndinoho haria tucionaga ri ciumaga mititu. No riu Jomo Kenyatta University mena Ndinoho ciao mabreedete mangihota kwenderia ri arimi. Wona warehe riu Ndinoho icio ri ugacikia hau thiini. After gucikia hau thiini ri ugagicihe irio matunda na mboga na ni iria vitamins na mineral. Akorwo ni ta mineral ciendaga indo ta makorogoca ma matumbi, no uhuthire cumbi wa ng'ombe uyu wa gukama ya kana anything ikurehe calcium. Akorwo ni matunda ciendaga kindu ta mababai, ikenda kindu ta mananathi, ikenda kindu ta marigu. Akorwo ni ta mboga ni yendaga lettuce, ni yendaga thukuma, ni yendaga spinach. No undu uria twagirirwo ni kuga he irio-ini cia kurithia Ndinoho ndukanahuthire irio cina dawa, tondu dawa ni ugwati he Ndinoho.
Mundu angienda kunyitanira na inyuĩ angimunyita atia?
Hari namba cia thimu no uhuthire namba yakwa ya thimu 0722 990 248.
Ikuria ri ni mugubundithia mundu na kuruga Ndinoho.
Kuruga ni kindu gia bata muno tondu no nginya ukionie murimi atiriri nyamu ici urakuria ri ona kuria no urie. Koguo ni tumabundithagia uri igethagwo, uri ithambagio, uri cithinjagwo, na uri irugagwo, na uri iriagwo.
Ni iri side effect?
Itiri side effect.
Ucio ni undu mwega muno. Na ni ndiroka ndiacoka hau ringi ndicuhuta gutie jigue wega na uhe tumaguta tu twa gukihaka
meho
hatiri undu ungi.
Okay, thengiũ muno uka
ndireka urori ucio mwite kinoti na ni arikia gututariria uhoro wigie ukuria wa Ndinoho. Na riu ndienda tucoke kuria kuri murimi nigetha thie ona ni nyone hihi ithambagio atia, irugagwo atia, ona ni ngicame jigue uria camaga. Hakiri undu ungi twaririe imwe kwa imwe nginya na Ikuru.